Are you ready to truly supercharge your productivity with artificial intelligence? Introducing the Professional AI Kit. In today's fast-paced world, harnessing AI is no longer optional. It's essential for professional success and efficiency. However, many struggle to move beyond basic commands, wasting time and missing out on AI's full potential. That's why we created the Professional AI Kit, your comprehensive solution to master AI prompting and maximize your professional output. So what exactly is included in this ultimate toolkit? The Professional AI Kit is an instantly downloadable PDF bundle, giving you immediate access to all the resources you need. First, you get 100 professionally crafted prompts designed to generate high-quality, actionable results across diverse professional scenarios. Let's take a deep dive into the other core components that make this kit invaluable. The How to Use manual teaches you the art of prompt engineering, ensuring you can tailor and refine your requests for perfect AI output every time. We also provide a carefully curated list and breakdown of the 5 best AI tools, saving you countless hours of research. And finally, the Use Cases and Examples PDF shows you successful real-world implementations, helping you visualize and apply the kit immediately. What does the Professional AI Kit actually deliver for your career and business? This kit is designed to save you immense amounts of time, eliminate frustrating guesswork, and ensure you are maximizing every AI interaction. Stop getting beginner-level responses. Transform your AI results from basic attempts into consistently professional quality outcomes. Ready to transform the way you work? Don't just use AI, master it. Unlock your full professional AI potential today with the Professional AI Kit. Click the link below right now to download your complete Professional AI Kit PDF bundle.